Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to format currencies on Google Sheets. Formatting currencies in Google Sheets helps to present financial data clearly and consistently. So here's a detailed guide on how to format currencies. Now you can use the toolbar for currency formatting. How do you do that? Select the cells that highlights the cells or range of cells that you want to format as a currency. Then once you do that, go ahead and click on the format menu at the top of the screen. So let's say I have this cell and I just want these 3 cells and I want to format them as currency. So the next thing to do is to click on the format menu at the top of the screen, which is here. So the next thing to do is to hover over the number from these options in the drop down menu to open a sub menu. Now from the sub menu, go ahead and select currency. All right, and this will format the selected cells with the default currency format, which is usually in dollars. Okay. So that's pretty much it. We're just going to go over that again. So I'm using the 3 cells. So I'm just going to go back. And go back. So I'm just going to highlight the cells again. And head over to Formats and Number and Currency. And I should have that formatted already. So the next thing to do is to customize your currency format. Now to further customize the currency format, go ahead and click on More Formats right there where you have the formats. Okay. So right now we're going to test if the formatting worked. All right. So click on the cell. So remember we highlighted 1, 2, 3. So just go ahead and click on the cell and of course add a number. So that's going to be, let's say 400, and click on enter. You see now that it has been formatted to dollars, and that's automatic. So we didn't have to go through and process. If I just click on 600 and click on enter, you see that it has been automatically formatted as that. So another additional step is for you to customize the format. All right, and how do you customize your format? So go ahead and click on the cell that has the formatting and click on format. Once you click on format, go ahead and click on number and scroll the way down till you have custom currency. Now click on custom currency and change the currency to whatever you want it to be. So this could be Afghani, and click on apply, and you see that that has been changed to Afghani, and it's no more in dollars. So you can do that using other options, right? So I can just go ahead and backspace this, and I click on this cell and I stretch it all the way down, and that has already been applied. So I can just go ahead and add this from 400 to 500, and I punch the enter, and that has been changed to 500 Afghani. And that's pretty much how you can format currencies on Google Sheets. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.